So this section is all about defining moments, all the way to that corner back there. But some of them I do have in boxes now, or protective cases. I didn't get those protective cases at the bottom here, but I think the top ones, or the original ones, or the first one that came out, are awesome set of waves. And got Macho Man, Shawn Michaels, Ultimate Warrior, The Rock, and then obviously that's not a defining moment, but that's Bret the Hitman Hart, ringside exclusive flashback. Got The Undertaker. Also, let's take a look at the outside moment here. And then we got Shinsuke, Sting, Ultimate Warrior, another Sting back here, Macho Man. Got Hulk Hogan, got Ric Flair. I think for this set, I think I'm missing Ricky the Steamboat and the other Ric Flair, the black and white cape, or yeah, one. And then right at the bottom of them, I have some of my best figures, or figures that I think are worthy of displaying alone, just in this shelf. Defining moment: Triple H, Stone Cold, Kurt Angle, Finn Balor, Rey Mysterio back there. Take a look at the other side now. The outside here, again, we looked already at The Undertaker, Ric Flair. We got Bret the Hitman Hart, got that Triple H, John Cena, Stone Cold. That's one of my favorite figures in this line. We got another Stone Cold back there. Chris Jericho, one of the last defining moments they made. Not the last one of the last ones. John Cena, Undertaker. We got Razor Ramon. On this side we have Goldberg, AJ Styles, Sting. Here comes the Pain, Edge. I think that's the Hall of Fame Edge. Triple H, DX Triple H. Got that CM Punk. That's Shawn Michaels, The Rock, and Chris Jericho. Alright, we're going to move on to the next section. So up top there, the display cases I have, or display section, I have Festivities of Friendship, Spotlight Network exclusive, Hardy Boys, the DX, Chyna, and Triple H. Got The Undertaker. Then we got that Rey Mysterio back there. Awesome figure. Got the Sting, the Toy Biz, Hardy Boys that came back. And then we got that Hall of Fame WCW notables. We got that Harry Guerrero, Kevin, Scott, and Larry Zbyszko. So we start off by looking at the LODs, Road Warriors. All the Ultimate Editions so far, with the exception, of course. I actually have another box here of, I have Charlotte Flair, missing The Fiend, Becky Lynch, Hogan, and The Rock. At the bottom here we got an awesome set right here. The Ghostbusters. Awesome set. Then up top here I try to put more notable ones. Bret, Sting. We got Stone Cold, the Attitude Era ones. They need to make more of those. I'm not really sure why they stopped. There's only 4. The Rock, The Big Show. In case you haven't noticed, I'm more of the old school collector. So you may not see me doing the latest review on. You got WrestleMania. They got Diesel. Then we got the Hall of Champions. That's an awesome set line as well. I'm not sure why they discontinued that. We'll look at that in just a moment. We'll keep going down this section right here. We got more of the NXT takeovers. I got 4 of that. My favorite from that has to be Shinsuke. And then we have the Jeff Hardy, all 3. The Viper, Survivor Series, the OGs. There's the tag teams right here. My name is Enzo Amore. And this here's Big Cass. And keep going down here. I did a review on these. This is awesome. Well, not of this one here, but this is the Rock. One of my favorite figures. The Rock, Jack Specific. And then we have actually got quite a few gems in here. Actually, I forgot about them until now. Take a look at them. This is Latino World Order. Harry Guerrero. Awesome figure. It's a WWE shop exclusive. I'm not sure where I got that from, but I did review on these. If you want to look at them, it's the SH Figures. Pretty cool line. Definitely a lot of articulation, interchangeable faces. I see where they were going, but they're definitely not scaled to size. I think I have them all that they made. They got The Rock, Triple H, Stone Cold, and I have The Undertaker, and I think Kane somewhere there. We'll find them here shortly. And then we got the Retro Fest, awesome line as well. I'm missing, I think, 2 that I'm missing. Mr. Perfect and Iron Sheik. But I believe we got them all. Got the Hall of Fame class here. I need to find a way to properly display. Let me know in the comment here. Just let me know in general. How should I display this? So I hang up on the wall here. Or I'm trying to figure out, because I think these Hall of Fame should be displayed. Cause I had quite a few. There's some there, and there's actually some more up top right there, if you remember. We'll keep going. This is more the newer True Flex Elites that came out. Got the Undertaker. Here, girl. It says, "I'm your papi." That's a B shirt. AJ. This is a, look at that. Awesome figure. Got Braun, Foley, Viscera. Got two. I'm not sure why I got two of them. Oh, the variant. That's right. Gorilla Monsoon. Got Lita. Doctor of Thugonomics. Got Orton, Hardy. It's a bunch of figures. The Fiend back there. About two of them, one in mock. So now we're here. We'll take a look up top here. We were left off from up top. Got Seth Rollins. Got the Happy Rusev Day. It's Rusev Day. And by the way, let me know if you want me to review any of these figures here. I'm more than happy to open them up and see them. Sometimes I just buy them and put them on here. I forget I have them. So this is what left up top section right here. Like I said, those are all the Hall of Fames. The ringside exclusive. Sting. Macho Man. I love these flashback boxes. The Rey Mysterio is awesome. Got the Blutista. APA. The Bret the Hitman WrestleMania. Got Kane. Ultimate Warrior. The Rock. LOD. They have the True Fan. Central. Big Show. Bobby the Brain. Bob Backlund. Vincent Kennedy McMahon. And I love this series right here. The flashback series from Walmart exclusive. I had more, but I opened them. Like Jake the Snake. Razor Ramon. And here's the, I think, Hall of Champions. I think they should have continued making more of those. These lines, I think I like. My favorite has to be the Road Dogg and Billy Gunn. Batista's pretty good. The Ultimate Warrior is awesome. Any Ultimate Warrior figure is awesome. Right below it, got more like the Elite. Nothing too fancy about these. Just Rey Mysterio's, Balor, AJ. The Usos, Ronda, Pete Dunne. So moving on down here, we got, this is like the older Elites. The Triple H, Shawn Michaels, Rollins, Ministry of Darkness, Taker, the Anvil, Neidhart, and again, Bret the Hitman, the Hart Foundation, got the New Day. At the very bottom here, let's see what we got. Got Ray Phoenix. Actually, I have Penta Jr. upstairs. Cero Miedo. I need to go get them. I think I was all open them up, but we got to bring them down here. And then we got the entrance greats. Again, awesome line actually, but again, to discontinue it for some reason. I think I pretty much got them with the newer sets here, though. I didn't get the older ones with the slimmer boxes. So here's we got Undertaker and Kane, SH Swords figures. Got them here, and we've got all three of the Hogan. This is the ringside exclusive. All three of them. If you haven't seen my reviews on these, make sure you check that out. I think these are awesome figures. All three of these Hogans. Make sure you check that out. And then we got a Sting back there. We got some random figure back there. So we just went through and walked, saw all the Elite, the walls. These are all the Elites I have so far. I do have room for new ones. Once I get new ones, I'll move them around. That's my wall Elites figure. That's a good sight to look at. Alright, we'll move on to the next section right here, which is the retros. So here's perhaps one of my favorite walls in this room. The reason why it has the retros. I won't go through all of them, but we'll look at them because I had them. I did buy this protected case for them. I need to buy some more. And get them now and go through all of them because I went through. I'll leave a link. The videos, all of this, I'm just showing you my room collection. All the way to the bottom here. And then you go open this wall here. Got the New Day. I know I'm missing probably like maybe 5 or 6 at the most. If not, just a little more or a little less to complete this whole set. One of my favorite sets. I don't know why they discontinued it. We're going to move on to the Masters of the Universe. So the other line that WWE is the Master Universe. I got them all here. Thus far, the ones that came out anyways. So these I haven't reviewed yet, so we'll look at them here. Got Sting, the first set, Sting, Balor, Triple H, Ultimate Warrior, Macho Man, John Cena, Rey Mysterio, the Big Dog, Taker, The Rock, Braun, the New Day, Jake the Snake, Rollins, the Fiend, Mr. T. Awesome figure set. I hope they continue making those. And then right in the middle here I have a poster of Legends. And this shelf right here, just where I have my like the backstage area up top there. Just a couple of figures back there. Rey Mysterio. Got that Gray Skull Mania. The ring. John Cena. I just have the backstage area. I'm just trying to figure out, let's see what figures I should put back here. And then the bottom here we got the kind of the interview area. Got some food back there. See Razor Ramon and Bret Hart being interviewed by Mean Gene. The title back there. Right here we got the GM. We got Regal, Triple H, McMahon, the Walrus, Stephanie talking about business. Then right here we got the Performance Center. You have to have a Performance Center. You got the stretcher, you got the wheelchair in case somebody overdoes it. Got a drink machine there, lockers. You got the music blasting. Good old Performance Center. At the bottom here is blank. Really, there's nothing I needed to put there or have yet to put. Got the Batmobile. Finally, certainly not least, here's where I have all my rings displayed. So this is right in the middle of the room. You walk in, see all the figures. Right here's all the rings displayed. I made this. It's pretty easy to make. If you want to know how to make this shelf, let me know. But we're going to walk through all the rings that I have. First one, here's the NWO. Got that steel cage around it. Awesome layout. Got the door for it. Here we got that Hell in a Cell. I'm missing the ring post. I need to put the ring post back on. Because I say at one point I had all these in storage, which defeated the purpose of having them. But so I decided to just put them all on here. This where Mankind got thrown off. Awesome Hell in a Cell. You got another Hell in a Cell here. Right here we got Elimination Chamber. The Elimination Chamber. Again, I wish they did have the Jackson one made the scale, true scale. That one's huge. That's the one I want to get. But what do you think about these? Open them up. Pods. Just awesome play sets. Let's move to the bottom. Has 3 sections. And plus the sides. Bottom here, this is the Money in the Bank. Finally signing their match. Make it official. Sign the contract. Got security who fell down. Vince McMahon's. Make sure everybody signs it. Or Hebner's a referee. Awesome figure. That's that Raw. The newer Raw ring, the one that lights up. I don't think I have any batteries in it right now. And that's the old Jack specific Money in the Bank. Just put that on there. Makes it look awesome. Here we got the Raw entrance stage. Right in the middle of it. Awesome set. And then we got this WCW. I was in the middle of actually putting all these rings on it, but it takes a while because you have to put one by one. This is the good and the bad about this, because it is authentic because you're putting one at a time, right? You're building it. It makes it feel awesome. Rather than like that one, you just snap it in, put the ropes on. Here you're putting it one by one, which is good, but it takes a while, so I didn't get it done in time for the videos. I apologize. But overall, I think this section looks awesome. Got 2 of the rings back here. At the very bottom, this here, I had more of the regular play sets. So you got that WCW one, WWE, the cage. You got this WCW Monday Nitro Arena. Again, I reviewed this. If you haven't seen that yet, make sure you check it out. Got the NWA. You got that retro one. Now let's look at the sides. So on the sides, I do have displays as well. So on this side here, we got the WCW Monday Nitro entrance. You guys have been asking me a lot about this entrance stage. So real soon, hopefully after this video, I want to make sure I upload that for you all and work on a step by step, because this is an awesome entrance stage for the WCW. Then you got that Stage of Rage SmackDown, the Fist reviews. Again, I already did a review on it, unboxing review. Make sure you check that out. And then we got the blue curtain Hasbro's entrance. Look at the other side here. Got that blue curtain. This other side is for the regular figures. Then here's we got all the announcer tables just ready to set up, because you know they're always breaking them. Good old JR and the King back there ready to announce. Here's where we have more of the Slammy Awards. Kind of getting that together section. So that was my figure room, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked it as much as I did. It's fun. Always fun making videos, but even better when I'm going through all my figures. It helps me remind what figures I have, what figures I need, what figures I don't need, right? As always, make sure you like, subscribe, leave comment. I always respond. I always like to respond to your comments, what you have, good or bad. It's all good. It's all for fun, right? Let's do a walkthrough here. Awesome section right there, Defining Moments, one of my favorites line of all time. And then we got the all elites section back here. I need to unbox them. Let me know if you see anyone specifically that want to review. We're gonna open it, unbox it. And here's the ones I need to put in here to get that Pentagon Jr. back upstairs, but there's a new box. I'm waiting for that Fiend. I'm excited for that Fiend Ultimate Edition. Hulk Hogan. Got some more of the retros. So thank you all for watching. As I said, be on the lookout for more videos. We're just getting started. Hopefully 2021 is better. We go out figure hunt. Until next time, everybody. Have a good one.